Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, for your moon energies, we have one card, and for your love situation, this is your love guidance, what you can do in your relationship, guys. So, let's start with the cards for your general energies, Leos. It's Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Wands, and King of Wands. So, Leos, in your circumstances, maybe in your personal life, in this relationship, you are feeling really confident, happy about the way things are going. Maybe you find yourself and this person truly understanding each other, confident about each other, and maybe you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And things are going in a very positive way in this relationship, guys. And you feel that satisfaction and contentment when you are with this person. Happy for the way things are going with them in this love. And maybe there may be some troubles, maybe something worrying you, maybe something small, maybe what they said or what they did. Maybe you want commitment, you are planning for engagement or marriage. Maybe this person has not answered you, but they love you and you love them. That love is there, but there are certain things need to be worked on. Or it may be your energy in your work situation, guys. Maybe things are going in the usual way, maybe the projects or whatever you do, but still there may be certain things you need to work on, maybe have more focus, because you see yourself moving towards some greater opportunities coming in your life, in your work. And maybe you feel that you are not skilled or talented enough for those offers coming in your life today, but you can be rest assured, guys, that everything will work for the better in your life, and hope for the best in your situation, and not have that fear or worries that something may not work, or a lack of trust in your skills or talents. You must avoid that, and you must be ready to embrace changes coming in your life today, Leos. So let's see what is the moon energy card for you all, guys. Don't let pride come in your way. Full moon in Leo. So with this card, it just means that you must you may be very much talented, skilled, but when you work with people, let it be your relationship or in your work situation, you must see the bigger picture, see where things will go and what is your role in that group. So to avoid some negative circumstances, you must have more love and thoughts for greater good if you want to find the right solution today, guys. And trying to find that balance between your needs and the needs of people around you. This is going to help you a lot in all your relationships, in your work and in your career situation, or in your personal life, guys, in this relationship. So you must be big hearted, Leos, today to achieve and conquer everything. So for your love message, transformation, Such a beautiful card here, guys. So this just means that you are going through a lot and you are on the path to, what to say, path of destiny, and destiny is unfolding at the right way, at the right time. So you must be aware of that. So these changes are just contributing to your spiritual growth, helping you to become that butterfly from the caterpillar. So you are awakening to your, what to say, that spiritual being. That is what I see, guys. And this is the time of evolution happening today. So that is the energy with this card. Leos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship, or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So, with this crystal spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this crystal spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy. Rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this crystal spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.